Kung sa'yo mo mag-comment sa Love Live with Tony.
Tawag ka din.
Sama?
Hi, good evening. Answer the question. What? So I'm going to answer the question about what if I'm gonna ask or evaluate life or love life of Justoni? Yeah. He simply deserves it. Very hilarious, voracious, and scandalous. So, tinood lang, no? Hindi siya makonsider nga since my childhood days, so I consider him as my great acquaintance. Thus, sorry nga, nami mga conflicts and contradictions, but it just that our foundation of our friendship still grows. And then, I could really evaluate, ever since I could really evaluate about his life, love life, katong pag-exist ni Felix, and who's this Felix, by the way? And then, it turned into something obsessed with himself. Yung makabuha na whole life through. Diba? Obsessed ka siya, grabe something. Obsessive compulsive behavior. Mo siya mental disorder. Ano ba? Tungod lang nagsalig. Well, that's just my own observations. Nothing has to do with it. And I couldn't consider this as a grower affection, but rather than a mere infatuation to just turn it towards Felix. Kung ano lang, sa igod, wag ko siya masultihan lang ako rin siya niya. Kana lagi, kaya ba ilang may damayan, kita rin hapon. So, my constant my constant advice to my friend is kung anong siya speechless ko advice ni Justani, don't force yourself to Felix. Don't force yourself to Felix, though I'm not being so compatible with that, but kung lang, just try and please avoid those people who try to belittle your ambition. Yes, would you not, okay? You couldn't, although you are surpassable for your own deeds, the most important thing is your endeavor will still steadfastly grow nga makatabang nimo sa imong future, ba? Would you not compromise niya nga, no matter what happens with the holy presence and the sake of our divine providence, there's still God to help you. So, di mo good mo grow kung sa kataw, kung di niya ma-overcome ang greatest fear. Okay? Kung saan pinaka-happy na sa kataw, mausa dang iyang weakness mo siya. Bye-bye, more just to thank you, and kanang just want to have a direct, thank you. Happy.